Have you ever wanted to grow your own mushrooms? If you have, this is a mushroom kit and this is a really great way of starting to grow your own homegrown mushrooms. Now Erin has volunteered to grow some for us here so we can show you how to do it. So we're going to open up the kit today and show you what it's like inside. There you go, there's your kit, Erin. Do you want to show us what you get? And you get instructions with your mushrooms that tell you exactly what to do. So today we're going to start off with the very first process. Voila. Haha. So this is basically what your shiitake mushrooms are going to look like when you receive them.
You recall, I'm a complete beginner with mushrooms, that's why I wanted to give this a go and see if I could achieve some shiitake mushrooms.
What we have to do, step number one, thump and shock. So basically thump from around 5 inches above a hard surface. So you drop the kit so that it thumps on the ground and shock. So cut open the top of your bag, fill it up to just above the block with cold water and place in the fridge overnight. So this stimulates heavy rain and the start of winter. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it wet and cold. That looks great. So we're just going to pop this into that container and then put it in the fridge, and then tomorrow we're going to come back to you with step number 2. Fantastic. Easy. We've had the kit in the fridge for 24 hours. We're going to transfer it into its growing homes. So we have here in our bucket a brick that we're going to sit the mushroom kit on, and we've got about 2 inches of filtered water or cooled boiled water. And we're just going to place it in the bucket on top of the brick, so it's actually got to sit up above the water. And then what you do is you cover it with cling film. I'm going to fix this bag over the bucket so it's covered 80%. And it's really important that you leave a gap to allow the air in. So your mushrooms are going to need to breathe, but the plastic helps to keep it a really humid environment. And then from tomorrow on, we're going to start misting our mushrooms. So what have you got in your mister, Erin?
I've got cool boiled water in my mister, and I'll be misting twice a day to keep that humidity nice and high inside our little micro mushroom environment there.
When should we start to expect some mushrooms?
That's a good question. I'm hoping within a week or 10 days we'll start to see our shiitakes growing.
We'll come back to you with the next step, which is misting and growing the mushrooms.
Great, looking forward to it.
Now I'm back here with Erin and her first crop of magnificent shiitake mushrooms. Now Erin, how many days since we started this kit?
Well, we started this one 6 days ago, so in 6 days I've got a pretty good crop of mushrooms in there. I'm pretty happy with it.
Well, this is fantastic. How about I lift it out and you get harvesting, eh? So,
okay, they're looking good. Look at this. So I'm just going to pick the ones that have a bit more shape and size to them. I'm starting to go a bit wavy around the sides. You can see there's some difference in the size of the mushrooms, so the bigger ones are the ones that I'm going to go for. And that one's...
That's flamboyant, that one.
They're doing a few wacky things here, but I'll take them nonetheless. There we go.
Oh, they're beautiful.
They sure are.
And I think you need to grab this one here too, Erin, while you're about it.
Oh yeah, actually that is pretty big. Yum.
Absolutely stunning. So there you go, 6 days and the first crop of shiitakes. So we're going to report back and let you know how this block keeps going. So well done, you have a great dinner.
Thank you, I will.
Beautiful. Erin, you've been growing this for just over a week now.
I have.
And what can you tell me about your experience with the mushroom kit?
Well, they grew for one, which is pretty exciting. I'm pretty happy. I've had a cut already, so I've taken off quite a number of mushrooms earlier in the week, and this is probably the last run of this first flush. It's been pretty easy. Basically followed the instructions, and I'll even admit I was a little bit lazy on the misting twice a day, and look, I still got a great crop out of it, so I'm pretty happy with that.
So there you go, so easy and forgiving, you get a great crop. So value for money would be the big question I would ask about your kit. So when you're investing in a mushroom kit, your first flush. So this is just the step one. So how many more goes of this are we going to get?
You can potentially get 5 or 6 more goes out of this. So.
Which makes it great value. So easy, great value.
Yep.
Okay, now the big question, what were they like to eat? Did you enjoy them?
They were delicious. I cooked them up and they had a really meaty, earthy flavour to them, and they were good. I'll go back and cook them again.
Excellent. So there you go. Grow your own mushrooms. It's easy. You can't go wrong. They're forgiving and delicious. Thanks so much, Erin.
Pleasure.
My name is Kath Kermode. Thank you for watching this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Please click on the bell to subscribe to our videos so you don't miss any, and keep watching here at daleysfruit.com.au.